Thanks for joining me today. I'm Corel Painter Master Aaron Rutten, and in this course, I'm going to teach you how to use Corel Painter Essentials 8. Before we get into the lessons, for those of you who are new to Corel Painter Essentials, I'll just go ahead and give you a quick overview of the software and what it can do. Corel Painter is art software that simulates working with natural media. You can paint with oils, draw with markers, use watercolor, and mix them all together freely. The Essentials version of Painter is the light version of Corel Painter. It's comparable to Corel Painter 2021, just with fewer features and a more streamlined interface. Painter is not just for painting photos. You can also draw and color line art. You can turn your photos into paintings, and much more. I'll show you what you can do with Painter throughout this course. Let's go ahead and kick off these lessons by looking at the welcome book and creating a new canvas.